YouTube family, mad family, I'm doing a video on offsets. I love offset accounts and I want to teach you how I think is the best way to use an offset account to get ahead in life, to not pay as much interest, and to really have all your money nice and organized so you know that you're getting ahead. And the best way to learn is to role play, and I've done a nice whiteboard for you guys, and let's start drawing on it so you can see exactly how offset accounts work. So let's say you had a loan for $750,000, okay? Now, to understand how the banks charge us interest, let me say this one thing. Interest is calculated daily and charged monthly. You also may be thinking, wouldn't it be smarter to pay weekly better than monthly or fortnightly if possible? And these are all very valid points. But if you have an offset account, I don't really care how you pay it because every dollar to your name is offsetting your mortgage. Let me show you how. So this is an offset account. You may nickname this account in your internet banking to spending. This could be an account where you and your partner get paid. I do recommend getting paid into an offset account. How it works is like this. Let's say you had $2,000 today sitting in your offset account. Well, what would happen, team, is this would actually talk to your mortgage behind the scenes, and you would not be charged interest on $750,000. You'll be charged interest on $748,000. Now, most banks offer an offset account on their Pro package, which sometimes has an annual fee up to $400 a year. So you really got to lean on your mortgage broker to understand if an offset account is right for you and economical, depending how much money you got left over. Or is a basic product going to be better? There are some banks who give you multiple offset accounts, and I really think this is a great way for budgeting. For example, I've got multiple. Now I've got one called Savings. I've got one called Kids. This is where I know I'm going to start paying school fees soon, so I'm started putting money into that. I've got one for even holidays. I really want to go to Greece next year, and I know exactly how much it's going to cost me, so every time I get paid, I transfer so much money into my holiday account. And the cool thing about all my offset accounts, well, they all link to my mortgage, as you can see here. And every single dollar in my offset accounts, it all aggregates together, and I don't pay interest on it. For example, if I had 5 grand in savings, I had 10 grand in my kids account, and I had 3 grand in my holidays account, the bank would work out how much money I have in all these things, which is $20,000. And I would only get charged interest, 750 minus 20, I would only be getting charged interest on 730 grand, which is really cool. I'm not paying interest on $20,000. If you got more money in your offset accounts, you pay less interest. You pay off your loan faster. Offset accounts are a great product, but sometimes they have to be on a Pro package, which has an annual fee. So again, just make sure you speak to your mortgage broker to go through what your goals are and your objectives, and is a product like this suitable for you. I've pulled up a MAD calculator. So what I've done is, on the same scenario as the whiteboard, 750 grand loan, I've used our offset savings calculator to show you that if you start off a loan of $750 with $20,000 in the offset account, you're going to save 143 grand in interest and pay off your loan 5 years faster. Guys, don't be silly. Don't let the banks make any more money than they have to. If you've got money, it should be an offset account. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video on offset accounts. Like I always say, I prefer more money in your pocket, not these banks. If you like what you see, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, and have a mad day.